Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make mushroom Kulambu. This mushroom Kulambu we are going to make for lunch recipe, and we are going to make in a mutton Kulambu style. So now let's go into the video and see what all ingredients needed to make for mushroom Kulambu. This is 1 packet of mushroom washed. So cut this mushroom into 4 pieces depending upon size. Salt, cooking oil, small onions, tomato, curry leaf, little coconut, garlic few pieces, ginger, sambar powder, fennel seeds 2 tablespoons, clove 2 pieces, bay leaf, cinnamon, stone flower. In a mixie jar, add coconut, fennel seeds, bay leaf, clove, cinnamon, stone flower, garlic, ginger, 1 tablespoon of pepper, few small onions. Grind it nicely as a fine paste. Now on the stove, heat the pan, pour 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil, grease it, add small onion and garlic, then add tomato, saute it nicely. Add little salt for tomato to get cooked. Then add chopped mushroom. Saute it well. Keep it in flame for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Add curry leaves. See, in this stage, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sambar powder depending upon our spiciness. Mix it nicely. Add the grinded paste. Pour water. Close it with the lid for some time. This is a very tasty recipe for rice. You can eat with papad, appalam. Add salt. At least 10 minutes let it get cooked. Now it's little watery. It has to come like a semi gravy. See, this is the consistency. Now mushroom Kulambu is ready for lunch.